Ready to transform your blurry Midjourney creations into stunning, high-resolution masterpieces? First, locate the image grid you want to upscale within your Midjourney channel. Once you've found the image, look below the grid for the U and V buttons. The U buttons stand for Upscale. U1 corresponds to the top left image, U2 to the top right, U3 to the bottom left, and U4 to the bottom right. Click the button corresponding to the image you wish to enlarge. Midjourney will then process and generate a larger, more detailed version of your selected image. This upscaled image will appear in the same Discord channel. Below the upscaled image, you'll see more options. Upscale Subtle adds a small amount of detail, while Upscale Creative adds a larger amount of detail for the largest size. Click on Web. Clicking Web will redirect you to the Midjourney website. This brings you to a web page with only your image. On the Midjourney website, locate the download icon, usually an arrow pointing downwards. Click this icon to download the high-resolution image directly to your computer. Ensure you choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPG, and select a destination folder on your computer for easy access. And there you have it, a beautifully upscaled, high-resolution Midjourney image, ready to be used for whatever you like.